Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is offering you Web Development course. Web development is the practice of developing websites and web apps that live on the internet. Whether you're interested in front-end, back-end, or going full stack, our web development courses will help you get there. What you'll learn. You will learn web designing from scratch. You will learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Ajax, Bootstrap, Photoshop for web design. You will learn the ultimate skill you need for designing awesome professional websites. You will learn creating modern PSD templates in Photoshop with 3 mega projects. You will learn converting PSD to HTML CSS responsive websites with 3 mega projects. Benefits of Web Development course. Develop creative abilities, boost career opportunities, work as a freelancer, enhance creative skills, reduce marketing expenses, chance to work in IT companies, improve brand reputation. Admission open. For registration call us on 92-321-505-6755 or WhatsApp us on 92-331-5999937. Visit our website www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at info@iitpakistan.com.pk. Make sure to subscribe us on YouTube and follow our Facebook page for more details about other qualifications.